Hi everyone, and welcome to the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Making Studio. Today I want to teach you about Pico edging. Now this is a very basic peyote stitch bracelet. Nothing really exciting, it's pretty, but look what happens when you add just a little bit of this Pico edging. Doesn't that dress it up? Well, let me show you how to do that.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
Okay, this one's a super simple one. All I did, I'm going to show you. So I'm coming out this bead right here. I'm going to pick up 3 size 15 beads. 3 of these little tiny guys. This is a size 11 is what I created this with. Now I'm going to use 3 size 15s, and I'm going to go back down the very next bead and make the little Pico edge. How easy is that? Then I would just go up the next bead, add 3 more little tiny size 15s. All you need to do this is very good eyes. And down through the next bead. And you've added another Pico edge. Pick up, oh wait, we got to go through the next bead. Okay. Pick up 3 more of those little size 15s. And back down through the next bead. And that's how you do the Pico edging. It's surprising how fast it can go. Sometimes you may want to make a nice point there. That looks nice. But there's more than that you can do. You don't have to do it this way. You could. Let's do a different one. I'm going to go up through the next bead. This time I'm going to add 4 of the size 15s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's be different. I'm going to add a purple one on the tip of that. Let's make it, we'll do 3 of the size 15s. And we'll do 1 size 11 purple on the top of that. And I'm bringing those all the way down. And now I'm going to go through bead number 3, this bead right here. Go through that bead. Add 2 more of the size 15s, the orange ones. And now go down through the next bead in this row. And pull that tight, and sometimes I'll have to pull on that little purple bead, make it go up. And what we've done here is we've made it more of a pointy diamond-shaped sort of Pico edge. This is a little bit fancier. Maybe you don't like that, though. Maybe you like the simpler. It's all your personal preference. So I've added the 3 little orange beads and 1 of the size 11s, and I'm going to go down through bead number 3. Just bead number 3. Right there, and I'm going to add 2 more of the little orange beads. 1, 2, 2 more of the little orange beads, and back down through the next bead in the pattern. And get all that pulled tight. Sometimes I need to tug on that little purple one at the top. And we're going to make a series of these little triangular shaped type picos. Okay, so we've got different kinds of pico, the super simple ones here. And we've got ones a little bit more complex there, but here's one I like to do. Gone through the very next bead, and now I'm going to add a crystal round. And let's add one of the size 11 purples. Bring that down to my work. And I'm going to skip the purple and go right back through the round. And I'm going to go through the next bead of the row, because these are bigger than all those seed beads, so I need to give it a little space. Right through the next bead in the row. And there's a different kind of edging you can put on your bracelet. Then up through the next bead. Add a crystal. Add one of those purple size 11s. Bring all those down here. Skip the purple, go back through the orange crystal. and into the very next bead. And there's another type of picot edge. So there you have it, 3 different kinds of picot edging, from the very simple to the little more complex to this wonderful crystal one. And you can mix those up if you like. You could do a simple followed by a crystal, followed by a triangle, whatever you want to do. So be creative. That's what all the seed beading is about. Thanks so much for joining me, and I hope you find a lot of use for this great technique. Happy beading, and remember to like, share, and subscribe.